Facebook muna. Wait lang.
Dapat ako nga. Wala ka makainga.
Ano? Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko alam. Wala ka makainga.
May allergic reaction ka ba?
Bakit nag-check up ng di sa labas?
Punta tayo ng hospital.
Hawak si Dibdib.
Good morning, you're Wency. Kanina, lab results was already released and it showed that you have anaphylactic shock. And we gave you a dose of epinephrine.
Ano po ba yung epinephrine?
Epinephrine is secreted principally by the medulla of the adrenal gland. Heightened secretion caused by fear or anger results in increased heart rate, often called the fight or flight.
The main source of epinephrine is from cattle, like cows and oxen. Epinephrine is used medicinally as a stimulant in cardiac arrest, as a vasoconstrictor in shock, and as a bronchodilator and antispasmodic in bronchial asthma.
The patient is on the condition of anaphylactic shock. You may give 0.3 milligrams via intramuscular or via the IV infusion of 1 milligram into 250 ml D5 water and infuse IV at a rate of 15 ml per hour. If the patient is having asthma, you can start with 1 inhalation or 0.22 milligrams. If under bradyarrhythmia, give 2 to 10 micrograms per minute via IV and titrate to response. If the client is having cardiac arrest, initially give 1 milligram via IV solution and may be repeated as necessary every 3 to 5 minutes.
Epinephrine is one type of hormone that is water-soluble, hydrophilic, and therefore unable to cross the hydrophobic plasma membranes of its target cells. Instead, it binds to receptor proteins located in the membrane and does not enter the cell. When epinephrine binds to beta-adrenergic receptors on the liver cell, G proteins on the inner side of a cell membrane are activated. It then causes one of the G protein subunits to dissociate from the other two. The subunit that dissociates from the others carries a GDP, which is replaced by GTP when activated. This then diffuses within the plasma membrane until it encounters adenylyl cyclase. When activated by the G protein subunit, adenylyl cyclase catalyzes the formation of cyclic AMP from ATP. The cyclic AMP formed on the inner surface of the membrane diffuses within the cytoplasm, where it binds to and activates protein kinase A. In the liver cells, protein kinase A phosphorylates and thereby activates another enzyme called phosphorylase, which converts glycogen into glucose 6-phosphate. The glucose 6-phosphate is then converted into glucose. Through this multi-step mechanism, epinephrine causes the liver to secrete glucose into the blood during the fight or flight reaction.
Ganun po ba?
Okay. Any more questions?
Wala na po. Sige po. Thank you po, Doc.
Sige, balik kayo kapag may naramdaman ka ulit, ha?
Yes.